This video is on how to repair your Rover. Just click this triangle, you go Y space, you go enter, you go to service point. Sometimes it takes time, but you need to choose service point. You need to click service point after when it comes to this page. So it's take a bit longer because of the network. So after service point, you say repair shop. After repair shop, all you do is see repair. On my side, there's no Rover to repair. So on your side, click repair, then you'll give an option to repair. Then it will give an option to repair with IXT or stock credits. Then we click repair. That's all you need to do. Thank you.